Okay, so today I got the brand new iPhone 14. It just came in the mail. This is the original 14. It's actually a lot bigger than the 12 mini, what I was expecting, 6.1. I went with the product red, of course, but that's not all I got. I got a product red iPhone 14 case, the official Apple case. We're going to check this one out too. I got the wall charger because sadly, Apple doesn't put their fucking chargers in the box and shit. But it is what it is. I had to get this separately. We're going to check this out too. And then the iPhone definitely doesn't have a headphone jack, so you need this for support. But without further ado, let's get into this. Okay, so we're gonna this part is always satisfying here. So let's peel the top part real fast. A lot of dogs barking there. All right, up close and personal, yeah. Okay, that's always satisfying. Yeah, the only disappointing thing about the new iPhone, you can't put your actual SIM card in because it's what's called eSIM. So it is what it is there. Let's open up the box. 3, 2, 1, giggity. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, so I'm gonna pause real quick and set this up.